sokera ddala n'abasokera ddala okwebaza buli omwatubeedo bagaliba kubyalwa paka ku ssaawa eno basize omukaaga ogw'ekubiri wali waffe atukuzizza atupasite atwanga atusomesezza akoze buli kimu kyagezezza kyakasobola awemba basija aganalwala bwetubala kuwatsapp n'agamba eno kimanyi sigula amakwega ndooki okuva 2019 Kuuza kadima n'agamba koza lwange nkulina kitu ibazi biri nnyo okulema miranda siyamu njagala baliko ebintu njagala bakole ebintu I hustle because of you guys. Mulamu lina amazina nasobola okukisa okusemba olumuganda Daddy thank you God will love you so much naye kimanya atuwulire yatunalola Daddy rest in peace shall always love you Mr. Maya Jahamdi.
My name is Priscilla Nakamari Mayanja. I am the firstborn child of the Mayanja. These are my little sisters, Abidi, Jasmine, Audrey. This is my brother, Paul. Daddy loved all of us. Daddy made sure we never laughed. Daddy always provided. Daddy was my best friend. He was my friend. There was nothing I couldn't tell my father. Even during the last moments, nothing. I remember vividly the Sunday, again I'm going to Thursday, but the Sunday again they were coming Mulawa. I remember, go Nidila, Labika Bulunji, and we jumped, and that was the last good memory I remember because my Lilo was in so much pain. But I have a Pudia, a Koye, Kakama, Koye, Mundeke. Remember that you have to fight, And he kept asking, but what for? I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Most of it has been said. But I would like to thank these friends because we are talking the first time Uncle Pina number, Uncle Pius, Nangamba, Kwano Batata, Pasingo Bamanya. Creating a WhatsApp group so that you update them and they offer any help. Narina own number, I think I had like only 5 contacts. I created that group, but very well there were over 200 people that have been helping, they have been sending money, they have been sending things, food, they have really helped, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have gone through this situation without you. And I would like to offer special thanks to Shamira Aliyu. Yalinated in the state, one of the Twalieno, but then Yali, Kamuwate, Kakulakimo, and Yalimoni by Shamira Yamlamila. Shamira, thank you so much. I'm grateful you to come. Ever in your future, never in your time.
Kale oyo asembeyo okwogera ye Priscilla ndowooza abantu bonna ab'okubirisoni ne Kayembe omumanyi bulungi kasebo nina nnyabo waliwo Erifat wani Erifat